Hey everyone, the Samsung Odyssey G7 G75F is the latest addition to Samsung's high-performance gaming monitor lineup. Now officially listed on the brand's Malaysian site. Priced at $1,038, the G75F appears to be targeted at serious gamers looking for immersive visuals and top-tier performance, although global availability has not yet been confirmed. At the heart of the G75F is a stunning 37-inch curved VA panel with a pronounced 1000R curvature, designed to fully wrap around the viewer's field of vision. The screen supports a 4K UHD resolution of 3840 by 2160, which provides exceptional sharpness and clarity, whether you're gaming, editing, or consuming media. Samsung has engineered this monitor for speed as well, offering a 1 millisecond response time and a 165 Hz refresh rate, ideal for fast-paced games where latency and ghosting can make or break a session. Color performance is another standout feature. The monitor delivers a strong contrast ratio of 3000:1 and supports both VISA Display HDR 600 and HDR 10+ standards, enhancing dynamic range and shadow detail in both games and videos. It covers 90% of the DCI-P3 color space and 99% of the sRGB spectrum, offering vibrant, true-to-life colors. Brightness levels range from a minimum of 280 nits to a maximum of 350 nits, making it suitable for a range of lighting environments, though it may not match the brightness levels of some more expensive HDR displays. Viewing angles are wide at 178 degrees both horizontally and vertically, ensuring color consistency even when viewed from off-center positions. To ensure a smooth and tear-free experience during gameplay, Samsung includes AMD FreeSync Premium Pro support, though G-Sync is notably absent. For user comfort, especially during extended sessions, Eye Saver mode and flicker-free technology help reduce strain. Additionally, AutoSource Switch Plus minimizes the time it takes to switch between inputs. In terms of ergonomics, the stand is versatile and offers plenty of adjustments. It supports height adjustment up to 120 millimeters, tilt from -5 to 20 degrees, and swivel from -20 to 20 degrees. For those who prefer wall or arm mounting, the monitor is VISA compatible with a 100 by 100 configuration. There are no built-in speakers, which may be a drawback for users expecting an all-in-one setup. Connectivity options include 2 HDMI 2.1 ports for next-gen console or high-end PC setups, 1 DisplayPort 1.4, 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 downstream ports, a USB-B upstream port, and a headphone jack. Physically, the monitor has a solid and premium feel, weighing 11.2 kilograms with the stand and 7.2 kilograms without it. Its dimensions with the stand are 816 by 674.4 by 303.8 millimeters, which makes it quite large and best suited for spacious desks. Samsung includes essential accessories in the box, such as a 1.5-meter power cord, a DisplayPort cable, and a USB 3.0 cable, which helps ease the setup process. Overall, the Samsung Odyssey G7 G75F delivers an immersive 4K gaming experience with a deep curve, rapid refresh rate, and excellent color accuracy. It's clearly aimed at gamers and professionals who demand high performance and are willing to invest in a feature-rich, future-ready display. The lack of G-Sync and USB-C may be limitations for some, but these are minor trade-offs in what is otherwise a compelling premium gaming monitor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment. Have a nice day, and God bless you.